so this is just a quick Milwaukee comparison video. Right here I have the M18 Surge. It's a damn quiet impact with a 5 amp hour battery. And over here I have the 1 key impact M18, also with a 5 amp hour battery. And basically I just used this for the first time today, and what I really liked about it is how quiet it is. So that's the Surge versus your standard impact. That's the difference that I notice in this. It's a lot quieter. I've been flirting with the M12 Surge, and that is amazing. You see the difference is the sound. I've got it set up to 3. I've got this one set up to 3 also. This longer video is actually for YouTube. I'm gonna put Amazon links for both drills, but damn, this thing is amazing. I could work on stuff late night without waking up my family versus that's amazing. Milwaukee M18 Surge.